Hey everyone! It's Edward here of Edward Adventure Blogs, and today, I'm taking you to a winter wonderland right in the heart of Singapore. Yes, you heard that right. The Shoppes at Marina Bay Sands has transformed into a magical Christmas spectacle, and I had to share it with you all. This year's Christmas light up is sponsored by none other than Chanel. They've created a stunning winter tale that's both elegant and whimsical. Look at these beautiful Christmas trees, adorned with snow-like decorations. It's truly breathtaking. It's no wonder people are flocking here to capture these magical moments. This is definitely the most Instagrammable spot in Singapore right now. And if you're a Chanel fan, you're in for a treat. Right next door, you can visit the magical House of Chanel, a pop-up store where you can experience a snowy forest and shop for exclusive Chanel products. It's a truly immersive experience, and the best part? It's free. But remember, it's first come, first served, so plan your visit accordingly. So, if you're looking for a festive and unforgettable experience, head over to the Shoppes Marina Bay Sands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. And as always, happy travels! Remember, the best time to visit is on weekdays to avoid the crowds. Follow me on YouTube channel Edward Adventure Blogs to stay updated on my latest posts and explore the world with me.
Very fresh one.
Yes.
Like just finished taking shower.